Did you know Artspira gets 30 new designs every month? While you're browsing, you can favorite designs you like or use your browsing history to find designs you were recently viewing. This makes it so easy to come back to a project you'd like to try when you're ready. As you browse designs, keep an eye out for the heart key. Once you press the heart key, it will turn to a solid blue, showing that you have favorited that design. Now you can easily access that design at any time by going to the Favorites section of your Artspira app. Select the Home key at the bottom of your screen. At the top of the home screen, press the heart in a square key. Here you can browse all the designs you have favorited. You can even browse them by specific file type. See something you loved but forgot to favorite it? Don't worry. You can look at your viewing history from the settings page of your app and see all of the designs you recently looked at. Select the Settings key at the bottom of your screen. Select Account, and then History. Now you can browse a detailed history of the designs you recently viewed and hopefully find what you're looking for. Remember to give it a heart this time.